Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam PayPal bug. So first I will show you on a computer. If you use a PC and you're getting a Steam and PayPal error, you cannot buy nothing with PayPal. First, that's what you need to do here. You just need to go to Steam, then you need to go to settings, then go in game and delete web browser data here, right? And after that, try to basically purchase and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, what I suggest to do here is to use web browser and try to buy on browser. If you're using mobile phone, if you're getting this error, you need to also try to buy on browser. But the annoying part is that basically when you try to buy on browser with your phone, Steam app open up. So you just need to delete Steam app in order to buy on browser. But if you have Steam Guard, it will not work. So if you have Steam Guard, basically there is no such option to buy on phone if you get into this error. So you just need to use your computer. But if you don't have a Steam Guard enabled, then you just need to download delete Steam app and go to your mobile browser and download it from there. So that's pretty much it.